I ran out of room on my GoPro, so I'm using this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Someone collected cash register machines. Wow. That is really nice. I think the market's cooled off for those. How much for the silver window? Yeah. Wow. Oh. And it's blank. Depends how much it is. How much is your clothing? I'm sure it's with some. Let's see what else they have. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Good going, honey. Oh,
Well, the Angels was $3 and too small for me. It's definitely a small 2X. What's this? Oh, it's coming apart. Guys didn't have much, but I walked up and they had some duffels and they had these CornNuts. There's 2 of them. Wash them up. 2 for $5. Should be able to flip them for more. Well, we'll see. It could have been a bad buy too. Wow. Oh, the Vance, yeah. What is that clothing price is like? Everything else is a lot. I'm in the Cove. I'll make those $5 each. Lots of stuff. So this one was like a last minute stop. This is in the Cove in La Quinta. When they advertised, they had a bunch of new stuff. You know, they were last Argane. And these things were $5 a piece, but I think some of them are worth money. This is a Disneyland Need Space one. This is a Coachella jacket pullover. $5. Even if it, you know, this doesn't have a tag, even though they said they never wore it. These things could be worth money. And then I got a couple of other like Disneyland hoodies too. Let's see if I can show you without getting anything dirty. Sorry, I'm jiggling. These both have their tags. Disneyland. And this is the head on the back, and this has tags, so it's new. And this one's the Happiest Place on Earth 2025 Disneyland Resort. Also brand new with tags. Not too shabby. That's an XL. This is an XL. This is a large, I think, and it's an XL. So I'm glad I stopped. The phone footage ended up being a part 2 of a community sale, and then that extra one down here in the Cove. I thought I had almost an hour and a half on the SD card, and I thought that was plenty, but it was not plenty. Unfortunately, so I filled that up, and I didn't have an extra card with me, so it'll be 2 separate videos. It's not a big deal. I really liked that last sale, and I got here late. It's like almost 11 o'clock, and that Coachella thing was still there. That, I'm surprised. Even at $5, I've picked up Coachella things before that I've flipped used for $100, so I'm hoping that one's a good pickup too. That would make the whole entire day worth it, man. Had a good time. I hope you did too. Thank you for coming along. This part of the video is going to be a little bit shorter, I'm sure. What were your favorite items I picked up? My neighbor is having a yard sale, but it says a moving sale. I hate to see them go. They're nice and quiet and nice. They don't talk too much to you, but still. I don't know if I have the energy to go next door. His prices usually are high too. Well, whatever. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.